Hello guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be analyzing each of these assets together to know what we should go for whenever we are trading. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, okay, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay guys, this is GainX 1200. Just like I have analyzed in the morning, this is actually okay. Before then, I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. Okay, because I saw someone asking me the type of indicator I am using on my chart. Okay, so I'm using a custom made indicator called 3M trend maker indicator. Okay, so it's my personal indicator. I created this indicator to help me analyze better because it works well with my strategy. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. Remember, we are on 15-minute time frame in the morning. Okay, if you had watched my video earlier today, I said that this actually started an uptrend from here and it achieved all our TPs and it got to this resistance zone, and all through the night it started a new trend. So we missed out from the trend because I was not following, but I said it is most likely for this to have a pullback around here. If it has the pullback, then we can now jump into the trade right from there. So right now we've gotten the pullback. So this is most likely to be very juicy for us. Okay, so just watch as I do my setup. So as you can see, the trend is switching at this point and it has given us a sell signal. So all you just need to do, because it has started already, so just going to put it here. This is going to be your entry point. Okay, and this will be your stop loss. Okay, and of course, let's see the highlighted TPs which you will be needing here. So let me see. Okay, so the first TP should be somewhere here. Okay, so guys, this is going to be the first TP, and of course let's achieve the second TP. Sorry about that. So for the second TP, let me see. Okay, so the second TP should be somewhere here. Now let's go for the third TP. Okay, sorry, I'm going to delete this. Okay, so this is okay for the third TP. And okay, let me do this. Let me see this first. Okay, third TP. And okay, let me bring this down. So the fourth TP is this. Okay, so I'm not just picking TP anyhow. I'm checking out where we are having pullbacks, so I'm using that as a way of setting my TPs. Okay, so this is the last part of it, and we don't know if it's going to break out from here, but this setup is okay for the TPs. Okay, so let me just delete this so that we have a plain chart. So these are the highlighted TPs for GainX 1200. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity. Okay, so let's move on to GainX 99. The only way it will not sell for GainX 1200 is if it goes back up to break out above the resistance zone, and that will hit the stop loss. Okay, so that's very important. Now here is another one, GainX 999, setting up right from here. It was unable to break out from this resistance zone, try to go back on downtrend and add a pullback, and right now it is selling again. Okay, so this is an opportunity for us to come in. I'm going to set our stop loss and of course our entry point. Okay, we can come in around here, sorry, around here. Okay, I'm going to readjust the stop loss to this because I don't want us to risk too much in order for us to make some good profits from here. Okay, so our first TP should be somewhere here, okay, before it breaks into this. Okay, so this is very, very important. So now let's see the second TP. Second TP is cool at this point. Then the third TP, okay, let's see. Okay, so we can use this as the third TP, and I'm going to put the fourth TP somewhere here. Okay, that's cool. So these are the four highlighted TPs that are very, very important. But if you should break out from there, I still expect it to get to the spots. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you can check these out, but the first four are the most important. Okay, so you guys can follow up with all this setup. Okay, if you are joining me right now. So here is another one. Okay, for before then, GainX 999 is going to give us more selling opportunity since it is yet to break out above the resistance zone. Now let's check out PNX 1200. PNX 1200 had been an uptrend right from here. Remember, we also milked this particular asset and we made a lot of profit from there. Okay, so right now it has gotten to this resistance. It has not been able to break out from there. So let's quickly do some analysis. Okay, if it breaks out above this, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, then it will change the direction of the trend into a downtrend. Okay, so however, we want to know if it's going to break out above this resistance zone or not. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will go back into a selling trend and it's going to switch. We will have to wait for it to switch first before we can say we're going to jump into it. But as you can see, it's still showing the yellow color, so which means it is still very much an uptrend. Okay, so we can say it is still buying at the moment, even though we don't expect it to buy for long if it's unable to break out from there. So you should watch out for that. Okay, so I'll keep an eye on that and probably update us within the Telegram channel. Okay, so that we will know if we should jump into the trade right from there. You too can also keep an eye on it, most especially if you're having this custom made indicator. Okay, so now this is also another one. This is PNX 999. PNX 999 had also been on downtrend right from here. We actually milked this particular asset also. It has gotten to this support zone. So we want to know if it's going to break out from there. You can see here is the support zone and it was respected earlier and it has gotten there again. It has not been able to break out from there. However, we want to be sure if it's going to break out or not. So we're going to wait for the switching. Once the switching happens, then we will know if you should go into it right from there. Okay, so right now it is still showing us red. It is yet to show us the yellow color and it is yet to show us the blue arrow. Okay, so both of them should come together since it's unable to break out from here. But if it breaks out from here, it will sell more. Okay, so we are waiting for that. Okay, so we can say it is still selling at the moment because it is still on downtrend. It has not given us a signal for us to buy. Okay, so now let's move on to the next asset, which is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on downtrend for a very long time, and of course it has made several attempts to go into a full uptrend, but it has not been able to do that successfully. So right now it has gotten to another support zone again. Okay, it has gotten to another support zone again. So this time around the support zone has not been broken. So and it's trying to see if it should go back on uptrend because it has been on a very long downtrend. So I need to be sure that this is really ready to buy. Okay, because it has been on this downtrend for long, breaking out from most support zones. Okay, it has tried to go back into an uptrend and has not been successful with it. Okay, it was a bit successful at this point, but later on came down to break out below this support zone. So I still needed to break out above this resistance trend line before we can be sure if it's going to buy. Okay, so once it breaks out from there, then we can now do proper analysis and see if it's going to buy for a very long time. Okay, so I'm still going to wait for that to happen. For now, it is giving us an uptrend vibes, but we need this to break out before we jump into it. So we expect more buying opportunity from there. The only way to not buy is if it goes back to break out below this support zone, and that means it's going to sell more at that particular point. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis before you go fully into it. Okay, and of course guys, for those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my trading videos, practice very well on your demo account before you will be trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, and do not forget to join the Telegram channel. Right there I give you free trading tips, and of course I also give you free trading signals, profitable signals guys, profitable signals, and they are 100% free. Okay, so that you too can also benefit from it while you are learning. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you can join the Telegram channel. The link will be there in the description box, and I will try as much as possible to pin it down to the comment section. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.